This time we're supposed to find the frequencies for the following periods. Frequency is equal 1 divided by period. In this case, I'm going to have 1 divided by 4 seconds. This is equal 0.25 Hertz. Someone is going to ask me why I do not use any prefix. We start to use prefixes for frequency when we get 1 kilohertz and up. Below 1 kilohertz, we don't use prefixes for frequency. That's why I simply write 0.25 Hertz. Let's take a look at the second one. I have to find the frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 over T, which is equal 1 divided by 80 milliseconds. How are you supposed to enter this into the calculator? Simply type 1 divided by and 80 milli represents the power of 10, 10 to negative 3. That's why you have to type EXP or double E button and plus minus, this is another button, three. 80 times 10 to negative 3. This is my milli. Equals 12.5 Hertz. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm looking for frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 over the period. This is equal to 1 divided by 460 EXP plus minus 6. Why? Because I have 460 micro. Micro represents the power of 10, 10 to negative 6. This is my power of 10. 10 to negative 6 on my calculator. Equals 2.17 kilohertz. Your calculator is going to show you 2.17 times 10 to the third. 10 to the third is kilo, and because I'm looking for frequency, I'm going to have hertz. Let's take a look at the next example. I have frequency equals 1 over period. 1 divided by 5.9, and nano represents the power of 10, 10 to negative 9. That's why I have to type on the calculator EXP or double E on some other calculators. And because I have negative 9, I have to type plus minus button 9 and press equal. You're supposed to get 169.49 times 10 to the 6. This is what you're supposed to obtain on your calculator. Now, 10 to the 6 is represented by mega. That's why I'm going to write 169.49 megahertz. Remember, the frequency is measured in hertz. And this is the solution to this problem.